What's going on, everyone? We're about to bust open another one. We have here 1999 F-150 SVT Lightning. Again, I have multiple of these vehicles or Hot Wheels. So I want to crack it open, put in a little display here, give it a little spin. Let's check it out. Right? Gotta keep it nice and quiet. Make too much noise. Once again, guys, if you're watching this for the first time, please hit that like and subscribe, all right? And I'm new to the game, so leave me a comment on these wheels. Let me know if you have any of these. Still in a hunt trying to find the good ones, you know, the supers and the treasures, all that good stuff. And I haven't been lucky lately, but I'm here to show you the ones I have right now. That is a beauty. That is a beauty for sure. And thanks for watching, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. Let's put it here. Slide it down a little bit. Give her a little spin. Alright. Let me know what car you would like me to crack open. Alright, guys. I have multiples, so leave me a comment. Ask me, do I have this car or that car? And I'll be more than happy to check. Again, leave me a comment and subscribe if you don't mind. Peace.